will launch 11 education kit. The 11 education kit is for some different scenarios. It's provided based on the agriculture, the tracker, outdoor tracker, indoor tracker, and also industrial, right? So it's based on different applications. We hope the students can think about the problem in his real life. Then he utilized the education kit and the course from you to solve the real problem. That will enhance his practice, enhance his learning knowledge to solve the real life problem. We want to take this opportunity and to formally introduce the education kit between the Open and the RAK. As the RAK is an IoT company, it's a hardware focus. We actually build the WisBlock. It's empower the developer to build the device from the module level, right? Not just prototype, but also can scale for the commercial purpose. That's what we target. But still, the module also can use for education. This is more exciting opportunity because it can actually benefit the students. It's not just from their working career, it's actually from the learning stage.
Yes,
right?
Kids and adults really come together to not only learn about the new tech, get rewarding careers and job opportunities from understanding this technology, but it's also applying it for some useful purposes. Sustainable community development is really our focus. So that's why we're going to start with the environmental sensor and the agriculture kit, and then continue to develop courses for the other kits. And that you came to us with the proposition that you had 11 new sensor kits, agriculture and environment, which was the area that we focus on with Open. We were pleasantly surprised that we had 9 more kits off the first kit, or 10 more kits actually.
Yeah.
And that we would, of course, be your educational representative in marketing to schools of all different levels and professionals around the world